What's up, guys? So our challenge here is create phone number. Write a function that accepts an array of 10 integers between 0 and 9 that returns a string of those numbers in the form of a phone number. So essentially, when they give us this array of 10 digits, we just basically need to format it into this format. So to do this, we're going to make use of template literals, which work with the use of backticks. So the first thing we want to do is just bring in those backticks. And then I want to basically start by just basically mimicking this first part or formulating this first part of the phone number, right? So I'm going to bring in some brackets, and then I'm going to place like our first placeholder, and our second placeholder will have a space beneath it, between it and the first one. And the third one will have a dash, and then we'll have the last 4 digits, right? So firstly, we want to just use the function called splice. What splice does is it basically takes a sub-array or takes a portion of the array and removes it from the original array, but will return that portion that has been removed, right? Okay, so we want to return from the index of 0, and we want to count 3 items. So it's going to basically remove these first 3 over here. And the array will have these removed, but it will return those for us over here, meaning the array has been modified and it now only starts from here going there. Okay, so the second time we basically also want to, so if you remember, this part, it would have been removed by this first part over here. So now we're also taking 3 more digits again to formulate this part over here, and we're now left with 4 digits, which we can also now just take out, and the whole thing would have been formatted. But if we run and if we try and test it out, we'll have a bit of an issue because, okay, let me see. So a timeout. Okay, no, that's fine. We'll have a bit of an issue because these are still arrays, and we need to basically convert them into strings. So we can use join, join, and join, and we can test again. Missing. Oh, okay. Test cases have been missing. Okay, let's test again. Okay, that should be it. And then we can attempt and submit.